Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I am a full-time mama and a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today we have a 90-day update on a Helpsy box that I ordered a few months ago. This was the Helpsy Fundamentals box. So if you want to see if I actually made a profit here, definitely stick around. So I've ordered this box a few times, and the one before this, which I can link the 90-day update down below if you want to check that one out. I think I labeled that 90-day update best box ever because I was like, this is a joke, right? Like there's such good stuff. And at the time, Helpsy's made a lot of improvements, I will say. But at the time, I wasn't as confident in them as I am now. So I was like floored. I was like, this box has got to be too good to be true. So anyway, the next time the box came available, I bought another one. And that is this one. So today what I'm going to do is share with you what sold from this box, and I'll share with you how much money I made, what hasn't sold, and then I'll talk about the profit I made and whether or not I would actually purchase this box again. I don't know that Helpsy offers this box anymore, but we'll still go over what sold and everything. So if you like reseller content, make sure you're subscribed. I do a lot of unboxings on this channel. Recently, I had a baby and now I'm like exclusively buying my inventory online. I come on my channel and I unbox it here and then give you a 90-day update so you can actually see what sold and if I made a profit, and make decisions for your own business if it's it's a right fit for you to buy this box. So I think this was supposed to be a 40-piece box. I think I got a few more than 40 items. I ended up listing 26 of the items, 17 are sold, 9 are unsold, and the rest I either donated or I sent a thread up in a partner kit. So I'll show you what's sold first, as much as I possibly can. Some of it I took to buy, sell, trade, so I don't have screenshots of that, obviously, but I'll show you what sold. I'll show you what hasn't sold yet, and then I'll give you my final verdict at the end. So this box cost me $153 from Helpsy, and that puts my cost of goods at $3.40 per item. Not bad for everything in the box supposed to be new with tag. A few things ended up going to buy, sell, trade. I had a little ruffle mini dress, a white sweater tank top. I don't even think I listed that. I think that just went right straight to buy, sell, trade. And a Fashion Nova jumpsuit, which ordinarily I would list Fashion Nova. If it's new with tags, it still tends to sell pretty good. But that one was so like crazy with the straps, if I remember correctly. Like I couldn't even get a good picture of it. So I just put it in my Uptown Cheapskate bag and I took it in. I got $6 for the Fashion Nova, $5.25 for the sweater tank, and $4.17 for the dress. So, nothing earth-shattering, but I didn't have to deal with those. There were a few eBay sales I don't have screenshots for, but I'll still talk about those. I had a Catalina swim skirt. Catalina swim skirt. Interesting enough, this was from Walmart, and it had a regular price of like $11. And it still sold for $9 on eBay, and the buyer paid shipping. And it sold within only 2 weeks. So although it was only a $9 sale, like that's pretty surprising. I'm actually like, I wasn't even going to list that. The only reason I did was because Buy Sell Trade didn't take it and ThreadUp wasn't going to take it. They don't take that brand, and I otherwise would have just donated it. So I'm like, whatever, I'll try. And sure enough, it sold. There was a men's burnout tee from Lucky brand. That sold for $10 on eBay, plus shipping. I don't have a screenshot of that one. I had these Focus 2000 pants, and I don't know too much about Focus 2000, but that sold for $17 on Poshmark. I had this Fila vest, nice vest. This sold for $22 on Poshmark via offer. It was a size extra small, so it did sit for a while. I had these Simply Emma. I don't remember where these were sold at, but they did eventually sell for me for $15 on eBay. I had this satin ruched dress. The brand was Lou, or Low, L-E-A-U. Never heard of it. That was a $20 Poshmark sale. That actually sold in a bundle. These Lulu's flare were like wide leg ribbed pants. I thought these would sell a lot quicker than they did, but they actually took a while. But they did sell for $20 on Poshmark. I had another Fashion Nova jumpsuit. This one had crazy straps too, but I did manage to list this one. This sold for $25 on Poshmark via offer. I had high hopes for this dress. The brand is Petal and Pup, which must be some sort of boutique brand. I found it thrifting before, and it actually does quite well. This one sat around for a while, and I eventually accepted a $22 offer. It is kind of plain, and it is brown, so not the greatest style, but it did still sell. I had these Zara wide leg pants. Zara, when I get new with tag too, just like Fashion Nova. I don't really seek out Zara too much, but if it's new with tag, it does still sell. So this was a $17 eBay sale. I had this Cabana Life swim trunks. These sold pretty quickly, actually, which was surprising because I listed this stuff in the wintertime. This was a $25 Poshmark sale. I had a linen DKNY skirt. This took a little bit of longer time, but still sold for $22 on eBay. And I had a Talbot's blue knit midi skirt, which sold for $21 plus shipping on eBay. So that's everything that sold. There were 6 things I didn't list. They were either damaged, or I think they were all damaged, or it just really wasn't worth me listing. What I still have left, surprising, I have the Banana Republic pink sweater. It's a really nice sweater. It is an extra small, but it is still here. I have the Topshop dress. Topshop is usually a pretty good brand, but let's be honest, this dress is ugly. I know there's like a buyer for everything. I think this dress is hideous. Personally, I'm not surprised that it hasn't sold. This Studio West blouse, I really was thinking, okay, so like I live in Georgia, and so there's lots of UGA going around here, which is red and black. So I totally pictured like a college girl wanting to wear this to a pep rally or a game. There's lots of UGA students around here, at least. It's a great way to represent the school colors, but I guess I was alone on that one because this really hasn't had any interest. And I even tried to take this to buy, sell, trade, thinking maybe somebody local would want the red and black and white, but they didn't even want it, so that's fine. I had this Lolita dress. I am thinking this will sell pretty soon now that it's summer and it's white. And then I still have all the pajama jeans. All the pajama jeans. In the unboxing video, if you watched it, every time I pulled out a pair of pajama jeans, besides wanting to say pajama jeans, I like, because, and they're size 2 extra small. So, of course, they're still here. Whatever. Not surprised. I don't know what to do with them. Buy, sell, trade didn't want them. ThreadUp's not going to want those. They're probably just going to get donated if somebody doesn't buy them soon, because I'm tired of looking at them and nobody, no likes, no interest. So there's that. So final verdict on this box. I spent $153 on the box. My total profit is $122.18. So I made my $153 back plus $122. So would I buy this again? No. I mean, I probably can't. I don't think Helpsy offers this box anymore. Like I said, Helpsy has done a really good job in the past few months of updating their boxes, their offerings. And this one's not available. I haven't seen it available in a long time. There's a lot of, like, I have seen on their Instagram that they've offered, like, boxes of brands that are not recognizable in their system. And while some of these brands are common brands like Fila, Lucky Brand, Lulu's, some of these really, I think, are just like unknown brands, which is why they didn't end up in some other box. which actually made a lot of work for me too. This box was a lot of work to list because I had to research some of these brands, and I don't personally think the profit that came from doing all of that was worth the work that I had to put into it. Plus with a secondhand box, because I know this is all new with tag, but it is like thrifted items. And although the cost of goods was really low, I would have wanted to triple my money on this. And the 122 I made probably was not worth my time. So would I buy this box again? Probably not. But the good news is Helpsy Source, and if you've seen my more recent videos, you know I've been buying a lot of boxes from Helpsy Source because they have updated and standardized the way that they list their boxes. Most of them are either by brand or by style. For example, they'll have 40 pieces of all Free People, and it's one price and it's free shipping. Or 40 pieces of like women's fall and winter clothing, right? Which I haven't ordered one of those yet, but it's very standard across the board. They don't have a box that's like all new with tag, various brands, right? So I don't have to worry about being tempted to order another one of these. And I have found boxes that they do offer, if you want to check out my other videos, that are well worth the investment, that I wouldn't have to worry about ordering another one of these. I got lucky with the last one, not so much with this one. So if you are interested in checking out the Helpsy website, you can use my affiliate code. Just use code OHYEAH at checkout or use the link below. You'll get 10% off of your entire order. If you're shopping on Helpsy, you might as well get 10% off. So definitely feel free to use the code anytime you shop. Let me know what you think, or if you've ever ordered this box, or if you watched the original unboxing. I don't know. Did you think I was going to make money? Are you surprised by the results? Or did you order this box and have similar results? I would definitely love to know. Make sure you are subscribed. I do have more 90-day updates coming up, as well as more unboxing videos. I've had a ton of inventory come in. And drop me a like on the way out if you're still here. That certainly helps out my channel a lot. And that is it for today. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next one.